My sweet donuts are crunchy on the outside, very moist on the inside, and they are so cakey. I was just about to make my 4 o'clock tea, and then I decided, why not show you how to make sweet donuts, because that is what I'm going to be having with my 4 o'clock tea. If you're new here, I'm Scovia, and welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always tasty and delicious and very simple. So in a large bowl, I'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I have 1 lemon. I'm going to zest this lemon for 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. So you make sure to get the green parts, not the white parts. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Then I'll use my spatula and mix to combine. As I combine, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I'll make a well in the middle of the bowl. Then I'm going to add my butter or margarine. You can use what you have in the house. I'm using margarine. Then I'll crack my 2 eggs into my bowl. Adding your eggs in a small bowl will help you to catch eggshell, or even it can help you notice a bad egg or a spoiled egg. Yeah. I'm going to use a spatula to mix my flour into the eggs. You can also use your hands, but I'm going to be using my spatula. When you notice that a dough has formed, you transfer this in a flat surface, just like that. Make sure you scrape the bowl. Then you will dust a little more on the dough and knead. So it should be a little bit wet, just like mine. So don't worry too much about the dough. So you'll need this for about a minute. Then now, I'm going to form this into a nice ball. Then I'll return it in my bowl and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes and my dough is looking well rested. I'm going to spread a little bit flour to my working surface. Then I'll transfer this to my working surface. Then I'll work on it just a little bit. Make sure to spread flour on your working surface. And I'm going to pick a small knife and cut it in half. Put this aside. Then I'll work on 1/2. Then using my knife again, I'm going to divide my dough into even size. Then I'll pick one, dust it with flour and form a ball, just like that. pick another one, and then I do the rest. Move over to the stove top, and on medium high, place a pan and add cooking oil. You add a generous amount. Check if your oil is hot by inserting a skewer or a wooden spatula. If you notice little bubbles, the oil is hot. If you notice fierce bubbles, your oil is super hot. Then now, with the help of my skimmer, I'm going to place my dough in my skimmer and then drop the balls in my oil. Don't overcrowd also. Once you overcrowd, the temperature of the oil is going to drop, so don't overcrowd. So as they cook, use your skimmer and turn so that they can cook evenly. So this is how they're looking. And you can see they have a very nice color. I'm going to use my skimmer and scoop out my sweet donuts. Then I'm going to drain in a paper towel. Then I'll add my next batch. My donuts are ready and it's tea time, so I can't wait to have my sweet donuts with a cup of tea and enjoy. I love them, especially when they are warm. They are usually so good. So I hope you make this recipe for your family and they will surely enjoy each and every bite, because these sweet donuts, they're so cakey and crispy on the outside. Bye!